every day and summer said I smack now. I'ma reach your climax. Your phone ringing, never mind. That's my phone ringing, a G call. Stay your ass in that position. I'm the nigga she gon' listen. I'm the nigga she gon' listen.
Hi sweets, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with a drip off of AliExpress. It's called Kanekalon hair store. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, y'all, but still I'll leave all the links below. But let's open this box and see what we working with today. Yes, honey. So inside the box we get the cap. Okay, cap is well made, really good, nice cap. Then we have our beautiful hair. Yes, honey. And then we get some lashes. Them lashes is on fleek. Now, I'm going to have to use those. Okay, yes. And we also get the second part that we're going to need to put our hair together. And then we also get a wig cap. All right, so let's see what we're working with. All right, so here's our hair. And the hair quality is really good. I did not expect it to be so nice, but it's actually a good quality of hair. I'm surprised at that. And then you're supposed to, there's a weft in the cap, and then there's a, I'm sorry, not a weft, there is Velcro in the cap, and there's also Velcro on the top of the weft. And so we have to put them together. And I'm trying to figure out which way goes what and how I'm supposed to do it. And yeah, so I'm just showing you that, you know, you put the two together and it'll hold, but I still got to figure out how I'm supposed to put this in here the correct way. So let's see. All right, now that I done figured it out, so here's our first step that's done. And there was a piece of lint that I had to get off of there. And so, yes, honey, again, I'm just surprised at the hair quality because it's so pretty. I was not expecting the hair quality to be that good. The cap is great, too. Nice and sturdy. All right, so let's try to put our second piece in there. And I'm trying to show you that there's another Velcro piece at the top where you put that second 8-inch piece so that you're hiding the back of the cap. All right, now that I got the whole thing put together, here she is. Very pretty, you guys. Very beautiful. There's the back. Yeah, she's nice and flowy. There's no gaps. You can't see anything. I'm excited. Look at that. Another side view. Very gorgeous. All right, let's try to put her on and figure everything out. Okay, now that I have popped her on my head, yes, honey, slay right out the package. Woohoo! Yes, you see me keep touching this hair because the hair is beautiful, you guys. Yes, she looks good on my head. It's very full. It's very soft. Yes, honey, I have no complaints whatsoever. Yes, I'm just giving her some side views for y'all to see. Very nice. Trying to make sure that's on my head. It's very tight on my head too. I don't feel like it's gonna slip off. Here's the back view. As you can see, it is full. No gaps. You can't even tell that this is a wig. It just looks like it's my hair up under the cap. Yes, honey. Very gorgeous. I'm loving this. All right, let's see. So there is two ways that you can wear her. So I was trying to do like the video did and try to put her on the other way. Yeah, I think I may have missed a step, but I mean, it's still cute. I mean, you know, whatever. I was trying to figure out how to get it. You guys will see when I pop the video up how they did when you turn the cap around and how they did it, and it was super cute. I was like, yeah, that part didn't work for me. I may have to retry that. But this is still super cute. You know, two different ways to wear it. Hey, it's all good. So I was just trying to figure out how to get that hair to lay right. And it still wasn't laying right. But, I mean, whatever, y'all. Y'all get the picture. And then it got my big old ear sticking out. I was like, okay, that ain't hot.
Hi, my sweets. Welcome back to my channel today. Shout out to all my brand new subscribers. Blessings. Shout out to the people who's been rocking with me from the beginning. I appreciate you all so much. To the people who clicked on this thumbnail, I hope you think about subscribing at the link below. And let's get right into this video. Ew. To my channel today, we are here with some lazy hair. Do you see this? This is so beautiful, so gorgeous, easy to wear. Okay, I had to throw on my daughter's jersey, okay, and put on this cute little drip. Yes, honey. So if you are here for the slay, honey, go ahead and stay tuned. So, honey, this lazy hair that we got here. So it is a baseball cap with some pretty hair. And let me tell you, the hair quality is very good. Okay, I thought it was gonna be like some real cheap, nasty looking hair. I was actually surprised when I got it, and I got this off of AliExpress. So I ordered it on 11/20, and I got it. It was in less than a week, you guys. It didn't take a long time. So, like I said, it really doesn't have a nickname, you know, like Sasha and all that stuff. So it just says lazy hair. So it's 180% density. It's a human hair wig. The hair is beautiful, you guys, okay? It says it's machine washable. It's made with Brazilian Remy hair. And then it has the Velcro in there for you. It has the Velcro on the hat and the Velcro at the top of the weft for you to put it on. I'm going to put a video on here side by side so that you guys can see that. But it's super cute. And the hat, you get to choose your hat color. They got pink, white, and black. And of course I chose. So you get a 8-inch piece and the rest of the hair is 16 inches long. And like I said, it's Remy hair. And you can also contact the supplier and you can change out whatever you want. He has some pictures on here of somebody with some blue hair. Okay. So I guess you can kind of customize it the way that you want. But it's going to cost you. I'm quite sure of that. Not bad at all. And when I say this is just like a super cute little thing that you can kind of throw on and go, I really love it. I think that I'm going to run out today and do my little errands right in this little hair, okay? And it's tight. It's tight on my head. I don't feel like anything is moving or going anywhere. And this did not come with it, okay? This is just something that so if you guys be like, well, it didn't have the bling on it on the site. No, honey, it won't because I added that on. This is my added touch. Y'all know I'm extra. But no, I'm going to turn around so you can see the back. It's really pretty. Really pretty. I am loving it. It's super soft, and like I said, the hair quality, it's beautiful. I didn't think, you know, for a little cheap little $50 wig that the hair quality was gonna be this good, but it is. It's bomb, y'all. I'm telling you. Okay, yes. So you guys, I just want to come on and show you this quick little drip, and she is very cute. I hope you think about going to go purchase her. I'll leave all the links below. And as always, you guys, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.